Hello friends, welcome to the Semicolon. This is Pritam from the Semicolon team, and in this video we will create a custom accordion by using JQuery. Before starting this video, I am assuming that you know the basic of JQuery. So let us start coding. Let us create a new file accordion.html. So HTML, jQuery, accordion, and this body will create our custom accordion. So class accordion, and within that we will create another div with class accordion header, and we'll provide a text panel 1, and within that we'll create another div with accordion body, and within that we will create just simple text like lorem ipsum and tab. Let us quickly copy it, paste it twice so that we can have 3 panels. So 2, 3. Let us separate the text so that we can understand. So save it, go to the browser, open in Firefox, reload the page. You can see simple. Let us quickly style our accordion. So style, so we will create some basic styles. We'll just concentrate only the JS part over here. So I'll show you the jQuery part. Yes, this is much better. So we need to display none accordion body, as because at first when the page reloads we want to show the header part only, and when click on header its respective body will be visible. Now we will create our script over here. So before start the script we need to add jQuery library. So we will use CDN in our case. Type jQuery CDN, open the browser, just minified version, just copy the link and paste it here. So this is our jQuery minified version CDN. So within the document ready function, so on click accordion header, we will check if there is an active class or not. So accordion header dot click callback function, we need to check if there is an active class within the accordion class present or not. So if $this means the accordion header, this one, and we need to check active class over accordion. Now it means the accordion class dot has class active. So if parent have active class, then we will simply remove the active class from the parent. Else we will add the active class to the parent. So this is toggling manually. We are toggling manually. This is called. So if there is active class, remove it and vice versa. Now inspect the element. If we click it, you can see the active class is present and active class is gone. The toggle is done. But here is a problem. If we click each and every panel individually, the active class remains all the time. Let us quickly correct the code. So we will globally remove the active class from Accordion class. So $accordion dot remove class active. So let us reload it. Same thing you do. You can see toggling is there. Active, 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 active. So active is changing dynamically. We are able to toggle customly. Now we will just open the accordion body. So if active class is present, so this dot next slide up, or there are several ways that we can slide up or slide down accordion body. So this is another way. So this dot parent dot find accordion body dot slide up. Same copy and paste it over here, but here we will slide down the accordion body. Respectively, accordion body will be slide up globally. This means that we are globally slide up the accordion body and slide down the body which have the active class. That means which we have just clicked. So this is done our accordion. See, this is our custom accordion. Just a small changes in CSS that would be look better, and hover cursor pointer. So this is the ready. You can see accordion is working. You can do many things over here. You can add arrow. If we click it, it will open, and much more things you can do with the accordion. We just showed you a basic custom accordion, a basic toggle using JavaScript. You can use this concept to make a beautiful accordion as per your need. I hope you guys have learned how to make a custom accordion by using JQuery. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. More videos to come in this channel. Stay tuned. The Semicolon.